It's not always going to be that way, right? Things are going to go your way at some point. So stay positive. And that's what I did. I stayed positive. And during this 1 week, again, I'll never forget it because it was like, I remember it clearly was Thanksgiving. During this post-Thanksgiving week, I just remember I sat there and I thought, wow, this company paid for me to go out to see them. This other company gave me a decent offer, not a fantastic offer, but a decent offer. And it was a really interesting company. They're like an internationally known hospitality company. And it was going to be like Miami, right? I could live in Miami. So that was pretty cool. And then I got this other company that's really cool. I would love to work for them. We still might work something, right? They haven't told me no. I've had a lot of interviews, but nobody said no yet, right? And yeah, luckily enough, the week after that, so like, let's just call this the first week of December, that third company who moved heaven and earth to interview me, they said, yeah, we'd like to make you an offer.